Hello, accountants. You are welcome to our practical accounting series. Today's lecture is on using incomplete records to prepare a financial statement. Today we're going to be looking at the bank statement. Most SMEs have a challenge with record keeping, but the only record which most of them tend to have is a bank statement. They pay their expenses from bank statement and they receive revenue into their bank statement. So we're going to be looking at using a bank statement to prepare a financial statement. We have a bank statement here. Typical bank statement, you have the date, transaction details, the value date, the credit side, which is the inflow, this debit here, which is the outflow, and the balance. So here we're going to create a column. We'll call it account. This column is for us to classify every transaction that comes in or out of the out of the bank statement. Usually in doing this, you will require information from the owner of the business. You need to go back and forth, ask questions about certain transactions that are not clear. Okay, so let's use this example. Here we have a opening balance of 10 million naira. And this 10 million naira, we have found out, for instance, that it represents share capital contributed by the owners of the company. So let's classify this one as share capital. Share capital. We just type it there. The next item here, we can see from the narration that this sum was used to purchase office equipment, office furniture. So here we type in office furniture. The next item there is bank charges. Type in bank charges. Next we have purchase of laptops. So we classify that as computer equipment. Computer equipment. Next is bank charges. Next is rent. Purchase of goods. So we'll classify this as purchases. Here we have payment for goods, so purchases, and so on and so forth. We have a bank statement that we have already analyzed in that manner. So here we have it. So when you have your bank statement already analyzed like this is what we've already done here, all the way down, you will realize that at the bottom you have the balance here. So what you then do is to say equal to the balance. So we bring the balance down to this place, the debit side, representing the closing balance of cash. So here we write cash. Okay. So now we've completed our analysis. So the next thing for us to do is to insert a pivot table. We go here, insert, and we say pivot table. So let's be sure that it covers the entire bank statement. Okay, so that's what we want. So where do we want a new pivot table? We want it on a new sheet. Click here. So there you have it, the pivot table. Now we take this header here, account, and bring it onto rows. Then we take this debit here, this header debit, and we take it to values, and we take this header credit and we bring it to values. And what you have right here is your trial balance. We highlight this and then format it. So what you have here is a complete trial balance. You have the same figure on the left and the right, 49,719,36.40 kobo, and same here. Just to be sure that we have a balanced trial balance, you can say equal to this minus this. We need to have 0 for it to be correct, and there you have it, you have 0. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.